This is the instruction video for how to install the suspension system bypass. First thing you need to do is identify this plug and identify these wires right here. See, there's twisted in pairs. There's two coming in, two coming out. What you want to do is identify the black and the tan wire. You want to cut this wire right here, and with this remaining part right here, you want to splice it into either the input or the output, doesn't matter. But what's left, leave this hanging and splice that into that side. Black on black stripe, red on tan. And then identify the next wire, cut that, and with this remaining part over here, you leave this hanging. Do the same thing. This particular one is the input, doesn't matter which one's in and which one's out. Splice that in like that. And then the next one is going to be the power plug. You make sure the battery is disconnected. You'll see you got a red wire. You can see this is pink in here, and a black wire. You're gonna again cut these, and with the hang on to this, you may need it later, and take the power plug, red on red, black on black, and this yellow is going to be on the pink right here. Now you reconnect the battery, start the car, message just to go away. I hope that helps.